Alright, go in.
Go on.
Alright, thank you.
And I go.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, William. Hey, William.
He wants to show me his flip.
You can come in more if you want.
Okay. Do I have to take my shoes off?
Oh, yeah, I just put mine on.
What was it? Did you almost teach it out?
Yeah, I got it.
This is fun.
Whoa! Wow.
Let's try and lift up your arms, and when you do it, you throw so that it spins you fast.
No.
Yeah, so that you don't hurt your neck.
I never heard
You might want to sit anyway there. How are you? You good? Is your sister here? No, she's not here today? Oh, she's not here.
Excellent.
That's no good.
That looks fun. Okay, Will, one more, then I'm going to go watch Greta. Wow.
Hope it's good, Will.
Okay.